Look at the question number 37. A tower and building stand vertically on a level ground. From the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation to a window of the building, which is 20 meter above the ground, is 30 degree as shown in the figure. From the same window, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. From the top of the building, the angle of depression to the foot of the tower is 45 degree. Find the distance between the tower and building and height of the tower, height of the building and distance between the top of the building to the foot of the tower. Okay, so in this diagram, height of the building is given CD and height of the tower AB. Okay, so here ED is equal to 20 meter. So ED is equal to AF ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ AF is equal to 20 meter. And also AD ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ EF ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ AD is equal to EF ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ height of the tower. So AB is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ AF plus FP. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟವರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now consider in triangle ADE tan 30 degree is equal to ED divided by AD. So tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to ED is 20 meter divided by AD. So AD is equal to 30 root 3, 20 root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so 20 root 3 meter. So this is the distance between the building and tower, 20 root 3 meter. So FE ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 root 3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now calculate the height of the building. So consider in a triangle ADC tan 45 degree is equal to AD divided by CD. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So AD is 20 root 3 meter divided by CD. So CD is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 root 3 meter. So this is the height of the building. So ಈಗ ನಾವು height of the tower ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟವರ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ AF plus FB ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ height of the tower ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ADC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು CD ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ height of the building. Okay, so now we have to find BA, means which is the height of the tower. So consider in a triangle BFE tan 60 degree is equal to BF opposite side divided by adjacent side FE. So here AD is equal to ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ FE ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ FE ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 20 root 3 meter ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so here tan 60 degrees root 3 is equal to BF divided by 20 root 3 meter. So BF is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 root 3 into root 3. So this is equal to 20 into root 3 into root 3, 3. So 20 into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 meter ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಎಫ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ 60 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ 20 ಮೀಟರ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಡಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎ ಎಫ್ ಇಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಎಫ್ ಎ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು calculate the height of the tower. So height of the tower is equal to AB is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ AF plus FB. So here AF is 20 plus 60 meter. So this is equal to 80 meter. Okay. So ಈಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ AC ಯನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ the distance between the top of the building to the foot of the tower ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. So consider in a triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, sine 45 degree is equal to AD divided by AC. So here sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2 is equal to AD is 20 root 3 divided by AC. So AC is equal to 20 root 3 into root 2. So is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 root 6 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this is the distance between the top of the building to the foot of the tower. Okay. Thank you.